the political term for this current local government, just like all the others, is coming to an end, and a new government will come in. This Oktoberfest is not a political event. This Oktoberfest is not organized by the political entities within Gulu City. So this has nothing to do with whether the current mayor is getting out or is another one is coming. This is Gulu City Oktoberfest. It is here for everybody. Any person who resides in Gulu knows and should own this event as theirs. It is for all of us. Political shades doesn't matter. Whether you're green, you're yellow or blue or whatever color you belong to, it doesn't matter. Whichever office you hold, it doesn't matter. But for clarity, last year's event, Gulu City Council did not contribute 1 shilling. Why? Because the Oktoberfest is not part of the budget of the local council. Same thing as this year. It is not in the budget of the city council to finance Oktoberfest. So we are not expecting them to do so because that's public funds. Public funds must be budgeted to go towards public service, to make roads, to put us lights, to do whatever. That one is Gulu City Council to do. For us, we are serving the community directly. Doesn't matter which government is in place or not. So let us understand this and put it clearly that this is not an event organized for purposes of politics out. That's what it is. So that is the part I think I needed to clarify on the issue of the political terms. And I'm sure this year, Gulu City Council still does not have in their budget any funds which is allocated to Oktoberfest. And last year's activities, I want also to explain this. The mayor traveled to Germany several times, twice or so, to follow up on this matter. He did not travel on the budget of the city council when he was following Oktoberfest. He traveled himself as a coordinator. That's why he's still our coordinator for purpose of Oktoberfest 2026, because he has developed that link with the leadership in Munich, and he has now cultivated a very good friendship on behalf of Gulu City with the city of Munich. We expect in this Oktoberfest there will be engagement. There will be definite engagement between the technical people from Germany and the technical people from Gulu to discuss, 1, business opportunities, 2, management of cities. So if we can help to create a link between the city of Munich or any other city in Germany with Gulu City so that they have a cooperation, that would be perfect. We would support that very much. You will recall that already in Gulu, the water supply coming to Gulu City is being funded from Germany. The water, you see this one from Kamdini to Gulu, Germany is already doing so. You see the trucks carrying garbage in town, donation from Germany. You see the garbage management center, the field there in Laro, support from Germany. Germany is already here, supporting Gulu City Council. What we are now only doing is to mobilize, to push it to get into a bigger and bigger cooperation. So with the time, Gulu City should benefit from this. I hope this answers your question.